If you hate monsoons, I will show you how to turn this depressing season into a season of growth using these 5 tactics that can turn around any depressing season of your life. Monsoon is my least favorite season, but to be honest, I am pretty cool right now. I am not depressed. I am having a great time, in fact, because I am following these 5 tactics. Hey there, I'm Roshan. I help young creators and entrepreneurs rewire their mind and unlock deep focus and peak performance. If that's your mission, subscribe to this channel and let's get on with this video. Alright, listen to this closely. The reason you are losing to depression is because your brain is out of battles. If your brain doesn't have any battles, it will become a battlefield of its own demons. So if you don't give it a challenge, it will give challenges to you. I am constantly filling my life with challenges. I am doing a dopamine detox challenge right now. I am bulking right now. I need to bulk. I am really skinny right now. And I am making daily posts on school right now. So, this is the gladiator method. You should always have a challenge to fight with. Each challenge will force you into forward motion, and motion is the antidote to melancholy. Great. Oh, that was a good line. That was a good line. Write it down. Motion is the antidote to melancholy. Okay, next, let's talk about creation. Your soul is malnourished if you just consume and don't create anything. Because we are actually creative beings. If we don't create, we become exhausted, we become malnourished. Our soul feels empty because we are not giving out in this world. We are put here to give out to the world, not just consume. Most people right now are 24/7 on the consumption mode. They don't create anything. Create something. When you shift from consuming to creating, you feel a difference in your brain chemistry. Your life feels much more purposeful. For example, I make these videos. These videos are making impact in others' life. Because of these videos, others' lives are more sorted. They are performing better. And you can help me do that by subscribing and sharing this video. But apart from that, I create songs, I make covers, I write helpful posts in school communities. I make Loom videos to help people. When you help people and create something of impact, so your ratio should be logged in. If you scroll for 1 hour, you should create for at least 20 minutes. Okay? Anything. You can write, you can make songs, you can make videos, you can make shorts, whatever you want. Create something. Because consumption numbs and creation nourishes. We were put on this earth to create and make an impact, not just passively consume. There's this very famous parable about 2 bricklayers. One is feeling dreadful, terrible because of the hot sun. He has to work so much. He's so poor. He's thinking all these negative thoughts. And another one is doing the job very in a mild way. He's enjoying his work. He's having fun. A curious person like me asks the person who is having fun, what's so fun about this job? You are a bricklayer. Why are you having so much fun doing this menial job? The bricklayer says that I am laying the bricks of a cathedral which will stand here for 400 years. This will nourish the faith of thousands of millions of people, and I am getting to do this service to God. Now, see the drastic difference. The person who is doing the job dreadfully, he is having the worst day of his life, and this person who is doing it with a purpose, with a sense of purpose, he is feeling happy doing the job. It's the same job, just a difference in attitude. So, attitude towards your job can change anything, everything. Give meaning to your work. Journal about this, how you can think of your work as more meaningful and how you can make it more fun. Because this is a skill that everyone needs to learn. How to make a job more fun, right? Whatever we are doing, we are trapped inside our homes, we are doing work from home, let's say, and there's like this depressing monsoon season going on. Now it's our responsibility to make the job fun, make ourselves more enthusiastic to do the same work. And we can do it. I remember I was listening to this podcast of Terry Crews, and he was narrating this awesome story. When he was super broke, he had a responsibility of his family. He married really quickly, like at the ages of 20 or 21, he married, and he had a responsibility of his family, and he had to do something. So he took a job of mopping floors. He became a janitor. And he was like, okay, if it has come to this, how do I make this more fun? How do I make this doable? Okay, because he was a sports star before that. and now he was forced to mop floors. So he was like, okay, if I got $1 million of doing this job, how would I be doing this job? How drastically different would be my work ethic, my attitude, and how great I will feel that, okay, I am getting $1 million after doing this job. That would be amazing, right? So that is how you change your attitude towards any job. So it's your job to make your work more fun. It can be through playing music while you work. That can be distracting for people, but find out ways. Ask ChatGPT how to do it, and it will give you awesome ways. I have tried it. Okay, so monsoons are not really that bad. There are weather windows hiding between the cracks of the clouds where there is no rain and the environment is awesome. But most people stay in their homes waiting for a perfect weather when it is sunny and when it is windy. This weather can be really good. Whenever the weather clears up, we go for a ride. The air is clean, the lakes are pristine, like they are directly reflecting the sky above, and the greenery. I love the greenery in the monsoons because it's awesome, lush greenery, and your brain loves this because this was its natural habitat. You used to live there. Now we are living in concrete jungles, but then that was the natural habitat. So go out into the nature when the weather clears up. It can be a quick ride of 30 minutes. You would have a much better day if you go out and take a look around than if you're just sitting inside your own house. Right now, pre plan 5 locations that you will go when the weather clears up. That way, you have a list and you will look forward to this. And lastly, I'll suggest you to watch a movie. It's called Life is Beautiful, and the main character, portrayed by Roberto Benigni, is awesome. I love that guy because he is trapped in a concentration camp and he makes that horror into a play. It's a fantastic movie. He won an Oscar for that. It's an Italian movie, and we Indians don't know about it, but it's a gem. It's a gem. Watch that movie. It will change your outlook towards life. Because if he can have a positive outlook amidst a concentration camp, your life is nothing compared to that. And I always think to myself that if he could smile there, we can smile in any situation. We are standing, we are still, we are breathing, so we can smile. So now you have 5 tools. Don't just collect them, act on them, because consumption without action is just procrastination. So just act on these 5 things. And if you want a waterproof system for your brain, for peak performance, you can hop on a free call with me. I am offering free coaching before I get big. So just book a call right now and subscribe to this channel. I will see you in the next one. Stay ruthless.